What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special unboxing from Joycult. I got myself 2 pairs of the Indy trucks, so we're gonna get right into this unboxing. So for the past couple weeks I've been trying out a pair already. I've been trying out the 34 millimeters. So far I've been loving these trucks. So like I've been taking it out to the streets. I've been trying out just radical or just insane different areas that I've been trying to find and trying to really put them to the test and see what they're capable of. So this is the set or the setup that I've been using for a while now. So when I first found out about the Indy trucks, I instantly get it because I was like, dude, like insane collaboration. And so yeah, so I've been trying out for the past couple weeks, and so far I've been loving them. And so I've made a line of boards, and I've had to design the mold into like my own specifics in it. So I wanted to send out like just the spacing from the wheelbase just enough to get like the right height, you know, kind of give like that extra little bit of realism, you know. And yeah, so set up a 32 millimeter on 34 trucks to see how that would work. So far it's nice, you know. It balances out with the 32, you know. But anyways, so I got myself a 32 millimeter and another 34 millimeter. So I have another variant of this board in the old school shape, and I have a set of pyro bowls to contrast all the colors. So can't wait to set these up, and we'll get right into that. Like, just check it out. Like legit Indies. Let's see. I'll try the 34 first, and then I'll try out 32 millimeter and switch out these trucks. So for the 34s, get them a little cleaner. Alright, so here they are, come in their little packaging. Two sets, and then the hardware. There. Alright, now let's get into it. So I've had this setup idea in mind for quite some time. So really, while designing the graphic for the board, I was like, I had this idea of like the neon green with the pyro wheels and then contrasting it with like Indy trucks, but like I was picturing it more for like an actual skateboard. Like that's just my idea and mentality for like how I want to do it, because yeah, just the 80s style stuff is really just badass. So I try to like mimic at least the graphic style from the era, and what better way to do it? What better way to set up a new board that way? Some Indies. Alright, so got all the hardware out. And then, so here's the first set of trucks. up here. Can never get over the reveal. Look at that. Just awesome. So far, like the best looking fingerboard truck out there right now. I can't praise it anymore. I can't like praise it enough, or I can't just praise it enough. See, I'm at a loss of words of like how to even describe on how good these things are. Like, it is a dream. It's a legit skateboard truck miniaturized. And everything on it is just so awesome. Alright, so I got the board all set up. All the stickers and everything that I need on it. Give it a nice grip job. Got some nice plies. Yeah, so this is the as above so below graphic. Thought I'd throw in a little bit of mushrooms in it, magic mushrooms. And then gave it a little bit of a portal, and then, you know, just some fun stuff. All right. So now that that's out of the way, now I can get to setting up the trucks and then measure out the board rails that I have planned for it too. So. So here it is with the trucks on, and that is a fine looking board. I do say so myself. Damn. Legit, look, like an old school board. So dope. So dope. Alright, so right now, I'm gonna get to putting on the board rails and then try to give it some symmetry. And alright, let's get right into that. All right, so here is the board with the rails on. And dude, this is insane looking. Like, I mean, look at that. Focusing on that. Just so sick. All right, now all that's left is to put the wheels on and get some pretty cool shots with this new deck. And here it is in all of its glory. Look at that. The colors just absolutely pop. Everything matches. Neon, 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 neon. Neon colors. Just insane. Nice, first try. All right, now I'm gonna go and get into the 32mm trucks. So here's, that board that I was telling you about that I've been using the 34mm trucks on. So now we're gonna go and try on the 32. So we'll get right into that. All right, and straight out the bat, these things look awesome. Like, come on now. All right, so these trucks really do elevate the look on this board. So even just that little bit of millimeters been taken away from that, it just completely changes the whole look. Oh man, I can't wait to get these wheels on here, and I gotta try it out. All right, we're gonna get into that real quick, and we'll get some pretty cool clips with this board. All right, let's get into that. Now that is a miniature skateboard. The proportions on it just look absolutely just sensational, dude. Look at that. Does it have what it takes for the first kickflip? Ooh. There you have it. There you have it. All right, now I'm gonna get some clips of this board, and that'll be the end of the video. So if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're not gonna miss any more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, catch you guys later.